going to show you how you can create this quick cinematic video in Capcut completely for free in less than 1 minute. First step is to drag on the video clip that you'd like to create the cinematic video. I have the video clip right here I want to use under the second layer. Right here, click on the video and then click split scene. This will basically load and it will make a bunch of cuts for the video clips that you have selected. And as you can see, go underneath the transitions tab right here. Underneath all these transitions, you can choose to add a transitions in between every clip. And in this case, to make the cinematic, I'm going to show you this example, this video clip. Right click, split scene. And as you can see, all the video clips are cut from each scene onto the next scene. Click on the video timeline and then use the up or down arrow keys on your keyboard to go to the next video clip. I'm going to add this effect called right here called zipper. Click the plus icon. As you can see, it added it down below. Use the down arrow. I'm going to use another add to transition. And here's the end result. Or should I say this is the before? And this is the after.